Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need two things in place before you start: a universal analytics property actively sending the tracking snippet to your site, and the same Google account signed in to Search Console. Once those exist, add the exact site URL to Search Console as a URL prefix or domain property. Then open that Search Console property and go straight into the ownership verification flow. Make sure the UA tracking code is on the home page and not blocked by robots or tag managers so verification can see it. In Search Console, go to Settings and choose Ownership Verification. Pick the Google Analytics method. Search Console will list available UA properties tied to your signed-in account. Select the one with the active tracking snippet. Once selected, click Verify. Search Console checks for the matching UA property ID and the tracking presence on your site. Make sure the analytics property is a universal analytics property and you have sufficient permissions. If verification is slow, wait a few minutes and retry. Caching can delay detection. When verification succeeds, finish by linking the accounts if you need combined reporting. Then submit your sitemap and monitor Search Console reports over the next 24 to 48 hours. If verification fails, the most common single fix is to confirm the UA tracking snippet is present in the page source exactly as in analytics, and that you use the same Google account with edit rights. If needed, view the site source. Search for the UA string, or use Tag Manager Preview to confirm the tag fires, then retry verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.